Day 48 challenge. Learning goes beyond books.
Left hand,
Okay?
right hand. Stop. It's hospital.
Okay.
No barking.
Super.
Auto road
Okay.
ahead. A traffic light. Zebra crossing. A speed road. A bend.
Okay.
Crossroad.
Okay. Is this?
School zone.
Okay.
Speed limit.
Very good.
TV traffic. Apple.
Okay.
Monday traffic.
Very good.
Humble.
Super.
No entry.
Very good.
I'm on a truck.
Very good.
I'm on the road.
Very good.
Right hand go. Left hand go.
What is this?
Pedestrian crossing.
Very good. This one? This one.
Petrol pump.
Go.
Highway.
Okay.
And highway crossing.
Okay.
Happy zone.
Okay.
Right intersection.
Very good.
And danger step.
Very good.
And motorcycle parking.
Super. Very good. What is this?
Another video.
Okay.
Unforgiving.
Okay.
Give way.
Okay. Road signs help children connect knowledge to real life situations naturally. Keep watching for more. The world's best vibrant enrichment program from Japan, now in India.